Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about the internet and its impact that it has made on our life. My name is Raj, and in this internet, like I told you previously, internet, I was going to talk about the internet, the timeline, when, how, and the when it started, what are the steps that happened during the period over the time that the that helped develop the internet and the impact that it has made in our life. So internet is a network of networks joining many institutions, personal computers, and private computers together and providing infrastructure for users of the email, sharing file, communication, and many different things. It's a vast collection of computer network which forms a single huge network of transportation of data and messages across the distance, which can be anywhere from the same office to anywhere of the world. In short, we can say that it's the largest network of the network in the world, which uses TCP/IP protocol and packet switching, runs on any communication and substrates. The history of the internet. In 1968, DARPA contracted with BBN to create ARPANET. In 1970, first 5 nodes were created with the help of UCLA, Stanford, Santa Barbara, University of Utah, and BBN. Then 1974, TCP specification by Vincert was created. On January 1st of 1984, the internet with its 1,000 hosts converted en masse to using TCP for its messages. Then in 1984, internet was named TCP/IP. In 1989, World Wide Web was created, also known as WWW. In 1995, the age of e-commerce begins. With this, the internet slowly started to affect our life, with a lot of websites coming online and affecting our life. Then by 2007, with the development of smartphones and other smart technologies that was made possible with the help of internet, it really started to affect our life. For for example, researches that are done online and other various kind of things. In present days, every aspect of our life is connected with the internet. For example, talking with the friends, communicating with their coworkers, communicating with their boss, learning, education, paying bills, and every single portion of our life is connected with the internet. So with that amount of of growth of use of internet in our life, it kind of makes us think what kind of impact we have in our life. So in this slide, what I'm going to talk about is the privacy. So in this slide, I'm going to talk about the privacy, how it impacted our daily life. The internet has been a wonderful technology and invention, but with this invention comes the issues such as privacy when using the internet. Advantages of the internet and privacy are that it does allow people to communicate with one another as well as to share information about various topics. Some disadvantages of privacy and the internet includes invasion of privacy, site using personal information from their users to benefit themselves, and sell the information to ad companies and spamming. Some laws have been passed to protect the personal privacy online, such as E-Communication, Electronic Communication Privacy Act, and Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. These laws are limited, however, in what they can do to ensure a person's privacy when online. Statistic on the internet privacy shows that the people are aware of the lack of the privacy they have when online, and most agree that most legislation needs to be intact to ensure privacy. Statistics also have shown that the most internet sites do collect personal information from their user and uses it to benefit themselves without the user knowing. Overall, privacy and the internet is a major concern for most people. More actions should be taken by the law and try to protect more people and keep themselves from invasion of privacy using internet. However, with the lack of legislation in controlling privacy on the internet, people need to be aware of the risk of putting personal information out on the internet. They also need to realize that just because a site is a social network says that they pr protect the privacy of that individual, this usually is not the case. With awareness by the user, by restricting themselves from putting certain information online, privacy can be protected. Thank you for watching my video, guys. That's all for the day.